Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about 5th class science lecture. In this, we will complete our first chapter and we will also discuss some question answer, that is the multiple choice question answer and true false. Now, today we will discuss our third part, that is the C part. What is this? Fill in the blanks. So, we will complete these fill in the blanks in this lecture. So, what is our first fill in the blanks? Seeds vary in dash and dash. So, we know that seeds vary in size and shape. Size and shape. So, what is second B part is, that is dash is the process of development of a seed into a seedling. So germinations. Is the process of development of seed into a seedling. हमने देखा है कि जो जर्मिनेशन का प्रोसेस है वही डेवलपमेंट होती है किसकी, सीड्स की, इनटू ए सीडलिंग. नाउ व्हाट इज थर्ड, सॉरी स्टूडेंट्स, कुछ टेक्निकल इश्यू हो गया था. वी विल कंटिन्यू फर्दर. नाउ व्हाट इज द थर्ड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स? Dash and dash can grow into new plant from their roots. So we have to tell which plant will grow from their roots. So carrot and radish. Carrot and radish can grow. Carrot and radish can grow into new plant from their roots. ये अपनी जो जड़ें हैं उनसे नए प्लांट में ग्रो करते हैं. Dash and dash do not have any seeds. Which plant do not any seeds? So we also know that mushroom and fungi do not have any seeds. Now the fifth is dash is sprayed to protect the crops. So we also know that pesticides are sprayed to protect the crops. हम pesticides का यूज करते हैं for the protection of crops. So these are the fill in the blanks. Now our next question is match the following columns. So we have to match the following columns in D parts. Here column 1 is given and here column 2 is given. So what is the match of the first? That is stump cutting. So stump cutting is presence in wheat, rose, hill places, pea, maize. So stump cutting is taken in rows. Now second is creep crops. You have to tell from these options which is the creep crops. So maize is the creep crops. Now third is rabi crops. So here 3 options will be left. So now you have to tell which of the following is rabi crops. So we also know that wheat is a rabi crops. Now 2 options will be left here. Fourth column is what is step farming. So step farming is done in the hill places. We also study in this lecture that is step farming is done in the hill places. जो हमारा पहाड़ी वाला इलाका है वहां पे स्टेप फार्मिंग होती है। नाउ फिफ्थ इज सीड dispersed by explosion. So pea seeds are dispersed by explosions. So these are the match of the following, that column first is match with column seconds. Now third is E part, answer the following questions. So you have to write all these questions answer on your notebook. You have to first of all find the answer of these question answer in this lecture. आपको इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर फाइंड आउट करने हैं इसी के अंदर। अगर नहीं होते हैं तो हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में इनको डिस्कस कर लेंगे, बट आपको एक बार ट्राई एट योरसेल्फ, यू हैव टू फाइंड द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन from this lesson, and also learn all these question and answer. So this is your today's homework, and this is the end of your lecture. Thank you.